Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the X-Fly A-10. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right nose gear, left nose gear. No working airfoil for a rudder. Yeah. Thing I'm going to do.
Mid-rate, high rates. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Well, windy and cross breeze at that. Yeah. Windy and a cross breeze. That gray plane, trying to see the gray plane against a gray sky. Not all that easy. Running a 2800 reaction battery. Try land her in the grass here. Or on the pavement. Or the runway. Definitely need to use high rates on her, that's for sure. Well, she take off quick.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I don't have any rudder for correction, so makes it a lot harder to land up a bank and yank. Not that I'm complaining. Yeah, I think I got me a nice storm coming in here. It'll be almost impossible to see that. I'm in high rates, which is 100% throws over, I think I got 30% expo on this one. Yeah, if you're hearing the wind, then that's saying something, because the GoPro has has a really good wind filter in her. Here, grass hops. Or no grass hops. No grass hops. Hope I didn't mess up the nose gear. Oh, this looks good. Hatch is in there good. Make sure, how's my nose gear look? Yeah. Nose gear is fine. That spring took the impact. All right. That's the thing about flying in a storm. Or flying in the approaching storm. All right, well, I think I'm going to cut my losses there and not take her up again. It's just a little too rough. It's a cross breed and I don't have a rudder to correct, so I think I'm going to call it quits. Well, there you go, folks. Y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and blow some of that debris, some of the debris. There you go. All right, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. That is the X-Fly A-10, and she flies okay even in a storm or an approaching storm with approaching wind. Well, with the wind that's making the storm come. Oh man, I do have a little bit of compression on that gun there. Oh well. Well, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends. Bye, y'all.